Welcome back to our electrifying series. Today we're diving into the captivating world of electrical measurements part 2. Join us and get ready to be electrified with knowledge. If you haven't yet watched our video on what is current, we highly recommend checking it out first. It'll illuminate your path to understanding this electrifying journey. Electrical current is like the flow of water through a pipe, but in this case, it's the flow of electricity through wires. Measuring electrical current helps us understand how much electricity is flowing, and it's crucial for both understanding and working safely with electricity. How electrical current is measured. Electrical current is measured in units called amperes, amps A. Electricians use a device called an ammeter to measure current. Think of an ammeter like a flow meter for electricity. It tells you how much electricity is passing through a wire. Thank you for tuning in. For an electrifying journey filled with knowledge and excitement, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, share our content far and wide, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. When it comes to electrical services, think of one-touch electrical services, a touch that lights the world.